In the meantime, the JFF has confirmed the appointment of Blaine as interim head coach of the women's national team. TVJ Sports had reported on Sunday that the JFF's technical committee had ranked Blaine at the top of a short list of coaches to be given the job of Reggae Girlz head coach. The Reggae Girlz were without a coach since October, when Hubert Busby was suspended by the Federation after sexual abuse allegations were levied against him by a former player with the Vancouver Whitecaps while he was their coach. It had been expected that Busby, whose contract expires this month, would not have been re-engaged, with the investigation into those allegations still ongoing. Blaine is not a newcomer to the senior women's program, having previously served as head coach for an extended period. Blaine is currently Director of Football and Coach Education Officer in the U.S. Virgin Islands. The Reggae Girlz are hunting only their second qualification to the FIFA World Cup, with the CONCACAF qualifiers beginning in February. The Reggae Girlz are joining Group C along with Grenada, the Dominican Republic, Bermuda, and the Cayman Islands. They will first face Bermuda on February 17.